Permanent magnet. Some magnets are permanent magnets. Permanent magnets produce their own magnetic field. They always have a north and south pole. A permanent magnet always causes a force on their magnets or on magnetic materials. Induced magnet. Unlike a permanent magnet, an induced magnet only becomes a magnet when it is placed in a magnetic field. There are two methods for magnetizing materials. Using a permanent magnet, nails and clips became induced magnets. Using an electric current, a magnetic field is created when an electric current moves through a coil of wire called solenoid. A solenoid is a long, thin spiral of wire used to produce a magnetic field. The pole of the magnetic field created by an electric current can be determined by the right-hand grip rule. Imagine gripping the current-carrying solenoid with your right hand so that your fingers curling around the solenoid in the direction of the current. Your thumb then points toward the north pole of the solenoid. Look at the diagram. When a nail is placed near a permanent magnet, it becomes an induced magnet. There are disadvantages to using these induced magnets. An induced magnet is always attracted to a permanent magnet. This is because the induced magnet is magnetized in the direction of the permanent magnet field. Look at the diagram. When the induced magnet is placed away from the permanent magnetic field, it will lose all or most of its magnetism quickly. Look at the diagram. When an electric current flows in a wire like a solenoid, it creates a magnetic field around the coiled wire, magnetizing the metal as if it were a permanent magnet. Electromagnets are made this way. Look at the diagram. You can make an electromagnet stronger by increasing the current flowing through the coil or adding more turns to the coil. The magnetic field around an electromagnet is exactly the same as that of a bar magnet. However, there are more advantages to using the electromagnet than a permanent magnet. They can be turned on and off. The strength of the magnetic field can be varied. The magnetic field can be reversed by reversing the current, turning the battery around.